Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is October 7th, 2021. It is 9:19 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's start taking a look at the NASDAQ futures. Let's go to our risk disclaimer. Our risk disclaimer states, all forms of trading carry a high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risks involved, and if necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimer: commodity futures trading commissions. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, future securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, and stock markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, guys, let's see what's happening in the market today. I know they're supposed to be doing that U.S. whatever debt ceiling thing, so we're going to find out what's going to happen here. So let's see what they're going to be saying. There we go. Morning, everybody. Anyways, Dow futures jumped 300 points really freely. As it appears, Congress will avert government default. Everything's in the green. Oil's, where is it? Oil at 77 bucks now. Going down. A little bit of good news here. George Soros fund own Bitcoin. No, no, please don't. Don't wreck the Bitcoin. I'm having fun right now. United Airlines schedule will be biggest since the pandemic began. So there's nothing really, nothing jaw dropping. So let's get into the technicals here. Interesting. Not sure if I'm gonna like this. We might be chopped. Ooh, don't like that. See, this is chopped, guys. I might actually walk away until 11:30 and update this video. So this is probably when they're going to do the debt ceiling announcement. I know everything's basically timed, so they might do a pull. No, I don't know if I'm going to trade. It all depends how far she goes down. Because if you look at the where are we at? If we look, actually, I'm going to open this chart up first, and then we're going to look at the daily chart here. Delta is dropping like a stone. Okay, so nice run. Wow, what time was? Oh, that was from yesterday. Yeah, because we got this really quick and I shut her down. Okay, and then it ran all day. I said 700, so it actually exploded up to actually back to the 15,000 level. So we have a lot of that was a nice market maker gap. A lot of market makers here. So what you're going to notice, you're going to see is probably, here's your most recent market maker right here. So what you're going to see is probably pop down to maybe 14.8 and fire up. There's our resistance right here, you can see. And when was that? At 2 in the morning. So they set it up. They did the first, second, or pull down, and away we go. So I'd be looking at this zone here. So I'm going to put a region anyways. Actually, let's remove all drawing objects, and we'll go from there. So let's draw. Well, our region is there, but I want it everywhere. I'm going to say between this zone to this zone. That's the area I'm more interested in. The extremities, right at the 800 level. So you can see this 800 level here. Now let's get to I want to see the daily chart first. There we are. So here we go. We're in the, where's 800? So I want to see it actually at a 4 hour. I'm going to switch it to 4 hours. I want to see exactly where the line in the sand is. So I'm going to go right there. order block within this line, so we can actually squeeze it down. On the 4 hour, she's trying to push down, so maybe we can get a quick sell. We'll find out, and we'll see how choppy it is. It could be really a punch up because this is just switching, and I don't like it when it switches just before open. So put it back to a day. So it looks like we're having double inversions right now. Come on, back to a day. Why can't I click on a day? I'm having a tough time today just with my mouse. Day. There we go. There we go. She's pulling down hard. Okay, so we'll look at that. There's our daily. There's our 4 hour. Now on our 4 hour, so we're just tapping this zone here. And we hit the bottom of 4. I said 700 though, right? 800. So it looks like it's kind of iffy right now. It might be bouncing around. Yeah, that makes sense. 7-8, the W pattern. Come down, pop up possibly. Okay, good enough from there. Now let's go to our... I'm going to try and... There we go. I don't need this chart for now. What is it saying? I just want to see what the time is. So 10 in the morning is supposed to be a buy. We don't know yet. But I want to open this chart up for now for a second. Okay, we're just crossing the VWAP. Okay, we're in a tight range here. Oh, look how choppy that is. I don't like it. That was playing all night. We're at the 50% zone. We could probably get... Is that 765? I've marked this one way down here. Is there any correlation? And just an order block prior high could be at 765. So we're going to find out right away. Candles, 30-minute candles are increasing. We have a couple of markers right here. So I'm going to put another region right there. Area of concern. So 8840. We just broke this level. This region right here. And then of course way down here where the prior open was. Yeah, so we got 1, 2, this one already broke. So we're going to find out in 4 minutes. That one back. Put this to 1 here for some reason. $800. So this is the one. I'm going to change this one. This is this region that I marked. That's your market maker right here. Going to change the color on it. Okay. That's the lower region of the market maker. Now let's see how choppy. I want to just check what the chop map is. Ugh. 951 for the bottom of the cell. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Hitting there, 840. Let's see where else. 840. It's going to hit 840 and bounce back. That's what it's going to do. $74. It's already pushing up at 74. Ay, yuck. What I'm going to do, if it does work, I'm going to try it out. Let's just try it out. I got to put it on.
Order submitted.
68. It's going to go to 40.
Order submitted.
68, 58, 48. I'll go 45. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make let me just check something here. I just want to know where the volume point of control is in this zone here. I'll show you what I'm doing here. Yeah, I'm fine. 68 to 46. We'll go 45. Sure, right there. Somewhere in that zone. That's what I'm going to look for. If it does hammer down, I'm going to find out it might hammer up. If it hammers up right away, then we're okay. I'm not in a trade. Close all that and away we go. So 1 minute before the open. I'm looking at that mini target. If we can break out of that zone. I'm going to find out right away. Because by 10 o'clock, let me see here, by 10 o'clock, if it does work, by 10 o'clock, then they're going to turn around. See, they could even get down to 800, but I'm going to take more of a conservative step here.
Order filled.
So let's see if we can get this. So we've got 4. Wow, we were at 7 points. Should have closed it at 7. We're at 76 to 78, 81, 82, 9, 10. Let them do their bounce. Oh, maybe I was wrong. Maybe I took it the other way. My data is
Order filled.
let's go the other way then.
Order filled.
I made a boo-boo. Let's let it hammer it up then. They're going to go to 15,000 now. I took a big risk there. Let's see what the trade map is. So it's reversed, eh? Okay. So we can go to 17 to 1750, 50, 18. I'll stop at, where's the cap here? They're going to push it up to 50 at least. So they're going the other direction. So that means they will go to 50 for sure, and after 50, I don't know. They're vibrating right on, which chart am I on right here? That's the reason why I misread it. Okay, there we go. So 1895, they did the bottom at right at 930 spike, so they're going to push it right up here. So we're basically break even right now. Where are we right now in dollar wise? Let's see if I can get my 300 back. 30. So we're break even right now. Keep on going. Let's get to 50. Then what I have to do is right around 50. What I'll do is I'll go like this.
Order submitted.
Somewhere right around there. Keep on going.
Order filled.
Okay, we're done. I took a hit and then I got my profit back for $330. What I was looking for is because of the violent turnaround, that's when you have to change your game plan right away. And so we hit 50. What's going to do is, because it is market open, it is volatile. So I did a 30-point swing, then I have to get the 30 and get the 30 back. It's, if you don't have the account, it's tough. But now, what I want to show you, this is the reason why I reversed the trade, and look where I'm going to hit my target. Okay, you can literally see how it hit the target. We're getting rejection. It'll maybe come back to 15, or she's going to blast right through. Now, I was down. All right, let's switch the screen here. 7, 8. Let's transition here. Boom. Straight as an arrow. So what happened was market open hit. I was actually looking to get down to here, and it just reversed. I got into a bad trade, as you guys know. Shut her down. You got to take her down. You know, you take your losses, you take the losses, say, well, reverse it. But because it was such a whip, I said, okay, we know where it's going to do. It's going to reverse. And it could play back and forth, back and forth. So I didn't expect it to... once I saw the first pop, then I knew it's going to go up to here. So my target, my literally target is, as you can see the two high bars here, okay? Right here. That's why I put it at, what is it, 46 or 48. And so I gave it some room just to eat through, and you can see it literally hit the top of the range. See, the key about trading is to find support and resistance levels, okay? And even when I started the video this morning, I was like, ew, I don't know if I like it because all this time here, okay? This is what, when I see chop like this, it could go like this, we don't know. I was trying to take a hit to make a quick profit here, and then maybe get down to possibly where the market maker is, but there was a snapback. So basically I think what they might be doing is when they do this, they're closing their position, so it's a buy, and then all the stops are knocking, and now it could crash all the way down to here. So I think that's what's going to be happening. But I already made my profit today. It was 330. I said between 3 to 5 I'm always happy, so I hit on my lower minimum. Fair enough, it is what it is. And so now, because of, until they stop them, until the debt ceiling thing, once it's all said and done, and I want to see it a normal rhythm, because this is not normal rhythm, this is snap, okay? So what I'm going to be looking for in due time, they're going to play around for a while, and where is this? This was the other thing I wasn't sure about, because we had this long buy phase. There was a red, like, look at this, look at this. This was all selling, and then they did this buy off. That's why I said, whoa, that's crazy. But And look at that, literally by the tick where I was saying. So I got it within 46 here, so it was close enough. But see how it went red to green? So it could be coming down, coming back up, we don't know. And I don't want to play that game. So other than that, this is a short video. It's only 20 minutes. And I'm done for today. If you have any questions, guys, just email me at abc123trader. Oh, the last thing I want to show you for the month. I always want to kind of show you that you have to realize for the month. Let me just open this up just in case if there's any. Nope, it's fine. I can drag it back. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Boom. So since the beginning of the month, I had one bad drawdown day, but I waited it through. But look, 615, 615. This was a bad drawdown, 630. But that's because it's market open. So you always have to take a grain of salt of our market open. So 2 trades, 50%, net 330. That's it. So still green for the month. Okay. Okay. Other than that, guys, just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day. And if you have any questions, also on Bitcoin, I'll go into this. I'll have to change these channels here. But on Bitcoin, what I've been doing. So right now, this is my rig. So I got 4 cards, hopefully one more before I go to Mexico, because they dropped really quick. These are my unhappy cards, and these are my happy cards. See, the hash rates are different. This one bounces. And so, and now, and I pull out money every few days now, every couple of days. And so, yeah, she's working good. It's a fun little project, actually. And then this coin right here, this is just crazy. What Elon Musk did or whatever. You know. So it's at $104. I only put 20 bucks in to see what happened, as you can see, and it just exploded. I got in right at the right time. Anyways, other than that, guys, take care. Have a great day, and just be safe. Bye.